Alright, YouTube, this is a little different than my normal truck videos that I make, but I wanted to make a video just going over this little 110 four-wheeler that I engine swapped and have been doing a couple things too. That way the internet knows you can do this, because I don't know, I haven't seen anybody else do something like this other than the guy who makes the engine bracket and stuff. And he did it for his son. So let's get into it. All right, here she is in all her glory. This is a Chinese, whatever brand you want to say. There's like Coolster, the Tao ones. They all kind of have this same headlight assembly. Long time ago, there used to be the Spider-Man ones. This is an older model. Like early 2000s, but it used to have a 110 Chinese motor in it. Now, as you can tell, it's been 212 swapped, but yeah, this used to have 110 in it, and I bought this off Marketplace, got it running, and then the first night, me and my brother-in-law were ripping it around, blew the transmission up in the other engine. So I decided, is there anything you can do to these to engine swap them or make them faster, or maybe even put reverse on it? And sure enough, there is. So on the fridge here, if you go to Big Nasty Bikes, he sells the, I don't know if you can see it, he sells the engine plate. And then he also sells the CVT plate that mounts to the engine, which makes you able to run a forward reverse transmission, which is what you see here. And he sells that. So basically, you need one of these Chinese four-wheelers, a 212. I have a VM22 carburetor on mine. The forward reverse transmission off of eBay. The clutch, flywheel, whatever you want to say, the hell that is, CVT off of Amazon. That's where I got mine. And then you need his plates. And he makes bolt-on or weld-on brackets. And with that carburetor and some tuning, we've hit 49 miles an hour on this thing. It absolutely rips. It should not be ridden by a kid. This thing is way too fast. It's literally insane how fast it is. I don't know what else I should do to this thing. I'm definitely going to do headlight and tail light, some cheap light bar off Amazon, and then a tail light off Amazon. Probably going to get new tires for it. And the main thing I want to get is, I have this cheap straight pipe for that 212. And it sounds awesome, but it is ear-piercingly loud. So I think riding around, I've just about had enough with that. It's so much fun, but it's so loud, and it's burning my leg before I kind of bent it a little bit and heat wrapped it. So I think I'm going to get one with a muffler on it, and I think that'll bring the backfiring down a little bit, because on deceleration it wants to backfire a bunch. I don't think it just has much back pressure in the exhaust. So I think getting exhaust system with a muffler on it would help a lot. So yeah, that's basically it. You need a four-wheeler, engine plates, transmission, 212, carburetor of your choosing with a four-wheeler throttle, or you can do a twist one. You can tell I bought both. Decided to use the grip with the thing, cut the insert off, and then just use a four-wheeler throttle. And I did a rear brake on the handlebars with a little on-off switch. Need the CVT and then the forward reverse transmission. I'm gonna get new tires for it, but that's basically it. I would rip it around for this video, but I'll have to use some old videos because riding it earlier, I blew the belt up on it. So, yep. If you guys want to see more of me working on this thing or doing stuff to it or riding it or jumping it or whatever, I'm game. So drop it down in the comments if you want to see that.